Good morning, everybody. Here I am at my open house from 11 to 1 today in the gated community of Greenbrier, a mobile home for $250,000. Look at this great porch. Anyways, I want to give you a little bit of a tour. It's an awesome unit. You have this great entry, an awesome family room, sitting area, plus into a formal living with this beautiful fireplace, a great kitchen. Oh, I forgot the lights in there. I have to get those turned on. Back to the 2 bedrooms and a huge master bedroom closet. But of course, this is a specialty neighborhood because you do and over to live in this neighborhood. We have a great location here at the back, so you do not have any rear neighbors. If you have any friends or family who might be looking for something in a 55 and over neighborhood, $250,000, you've got space rent right around $1,200, I want to say, off the top of my head. Reach out to me. We really want to get this place sold soon. And you've got a great carport. It can sometimes fit almost 3 cars and super close to guest parking and a great neighborhood. Anyways, give me a call, Wendy Gundry, 661-510-5370. Have a great day.